Work platform loading instructions. Each of our work platforms includes two means for securing the platform to a forklift. Number 1, time lock. And number 2, nylon safety strap. Step 1, attach the platform to a fork truck. Drive the fork truck forward until the mast guard contacts the back of the vertical part, the tines. For all WP models, make sure that the tines extend through the front and rear fork pockets. Attach the platform to the fork truck's fork carriage with the securing strap. Wrap the strap around the carriage with no slack at one of the points indicated by dotted arrows in the instruction manual. Note that the safety strap is the primary safety mechanism and must be used each time the work platform is used. And capture the heel of the fork with the time lock underneath the corner of the platform as indicated in the instruction manual. However, the lock might not fit over the heel of the tine of your fork truck. If this is the case, do not modify the tine lock. Simply do not use it. Before entering the work platform, secure the platform to the fork truck mast. Inspect all of the platform structure for signs of damage and verify that the gate latch and/or chains will secure properly. Only use the work platform on smooth, level, finished surfaces capable of supporting the combined weight of the person or persons occupying the platform and all equipment and/or material present on the platform. Avoid sudden stops or quick turns while transporting the platform. Hold on to the handrail on two sides of the work platform whenever rising or lowering. Do not drive the fork truck while the platform is occupied. If it is necessary to reposition the fork truck or to relocate the platform, fully lower the forks. Require all persons to disconnect safety lanyards and dismount the platform. If the platform is equipped with optional casters, do not move the platform if it is occupied. Require all persons to get off of the platform and unload the platform completely before repositioning or relocating it.